a big pancake.
You did.
You made a pancake? What are you making, Alexandra?
We making cookies.
And who are you making cookies with today?
My grandma.
Yes, I am.
Oh. And what are you making, Caitlin?
Cookies. I made a big pancake.
And a big pancake.
Who are you making cookies with?
Ah!
Are you making cookies with your Grandma Verhausen too?
Who are you making cookies with, honey?
Who are you making them with?
I'm oats.
With your grandma? Where's your grandma?
I'm gonna dip it in the
Smash
I
them.
made a big
Those
pancake.
are just
Okay.
beautiful.
You like cookies?
I do.
I made a dip it in the
Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh.
I think you're doing an excellent job.
I'm gonna dip it in
Oh, baby, we're getting another one ready.
Wow, Grandma's got to work fast to keep up with you two.
Good job. Should we turn this tray around? And we can put the balls on that side.
This tastes good.
I bet.
Yeah. Let's see, do we have
You're just mushing that banana.